Today I would like to talk about the difference between stage acting and film acting. Film acting versus stage acting are very different from one another. What are the main differences between the two, and how can actors make this adjustment with ease? Both on-camera acting and on-stage acting require the actor to connect to energy. In the theater, the actor must be able to project their energy out so that they can hit the back of the theater. It's about how you send the energy out. In film and television, however, it's the opposite. You're still dealing with energy, you're still sending energy, but the physics is completely different than in the theater. If you project your energy like you do in theater, it's going to be too big for the camera. It's almost going to psychically push the camera away from the actor. Learning how to work on camera, the actor should almost entirely think of it as if it's a different thing, the opposite to theater. Film has to do with the actor being able to stay relaxed, to stay open and surrender, and allow the audience to come into them. Intimacy, or in other words, into me see. This is a skill, and it is also the willingness for the actor to be vulnerable, and it's also understanding how if you're in the truth and something is happening and something is affecting you in the moment, you do not have to push or show or telegraph that energy to the audience. The subtleties of what happens when you're just simply in the truth of the moment is more than enough for the camera to reach out and pluck it out of your instrument. Another thing that's very important for both theater and film is the actor's ability to experience privacy in public. On camera, this is even more important because the camera can pick up any truth. Even if there's self-consciousness, the camera can pick that up as well. Privacy in front of the camera helps prevent the actor from feeling like they have to be compelling or interesting or feel like they have to act. The one thing about on-camera acting, one of the hardest things to learn, is how not to be concerned about acting. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing for more videos like this one. Go to the description below for links to my website as well as my free weekly newsletter. Thanks, and see you on the next one.